Hi. So today I want to make a video in support of stretching the neck and using some nice flowing energy to do that. So have a nice solid stance for yourself and then bring your awareness over to your right side. And we're going to scoop the hand up like you're gathering some energy. Bring it right down here, the center of the body, and then stretch those hands. Palms face away, and we're going to stretch the hands like you're leading with your little finger, thumbs reaching behind you, and then turn your head to the left. And get a sense of that nice stretch. And you decide how much you want to stretch here. Listen to your body. Don't overdo it. And let's do that again. Let's inhale, scoop some energy. Bring it down. Exhale, stretch as you drop the fingers, turn the head. Inhale. Exhale. Great. And just notice you might get a little bit more flexibility as you continue to flow through this. Focusing, turning the head, stretching the fingers, and one more time. And stretch and turn. Good. And now let's relax that side and move to the other side. So now take your left hand, inhale, gather some energy, stretch it down and turn the head. And just the same idea. I want to lead with the little finger in the front, thumbs going to the back, and you're kind of twisting here at the wrist. And looking behind you, and let's do it again. Inhale, gather. Exhale, stretch and turn. Good. Breathing in. Breathing out. Nice flow happening here to help loosen up these areas of tension that we hold in the upper part of the body. And one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And let's close with a little round of going back and forth, alternating it. So start here, once again on the right side. Inhale. Exhale, stretch as you turn the head. Inhale, gather from the left side. Exhale, stretch as you turn the head to the right. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale as you do this side. Good. One more to each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. All right. And then come back to the center. If you need a little shakeout, feel free to take it. But otherwise, just notice how that opens up more flow. You can always do that one a little longer if you'd like. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.